Do you feel like if you upgrade your gear, that's going to help you level up your business? Well, I want you to pause and rethink that. In this video, I'm going to share 6 mindset shifts that will help you grow faster than any upgrade. Now, stick around for mindset shift number 6 because it might open up your next big opportunity. Shift number 1, a better camera does not equal more money. I can guarantee you that. Buying a new camera but still not having clarity on what you actually do, who you serve, and what problems you solve will not help you in the least bit. You can have a $5,000 camera and offer no solutions, or you can just use your iPhone and be able to close $3,000 a month retainer clients. If you do not have clarity on what you actually do, you are wasting money and time. Shift number 2, leverage what you have and rent what you need. I really wish this is something that somebody told me in the beginning before I started buying all of this new and expensive gear that I thought I needed. Following the different gurus and trends that I saw online instead of just renting it, seeing if I actually liked it, if it brought any value to my business, and also renting it, I could still make money off of that particular work. Buying new gear and being able to have ownership of it does not necessarily make you a better business person. So if you have something and it is working, use it. If you need a higher or something that delivers better quality, rent it for a short term. You don't have to spend all of that money, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. You can spend a couple $100s, rent it for a few days, give it back, and see if it's something that you actually want in your arsenal, but it also gives you the time to earn the money so that you don't have to collect debt. So rent what you need and use what you have to get the job done. Shift number 3, knowledge plus network is greater than equipment. The knowledge that you have and the networking that you do is going to help you grow way faster than if you're just trying to collect equipment and do it by yourself. Going to YouTube University by yourself instead of being a community will slow down your growth and your potential by not being able to share your knowledge in your community, in your network. So get out there, share with other people what you have, what you can do, and stop doing this alone. I promise you, once I got in community, once I started to build a network, doors are opening up for me all the time. So stop being in isolation and get in community. Shift number 4 is you want to create and provide things that people actually ask for. Now, you don't have to make stuff up. We're trying to learn something brand new, but according to what you actually offer, according to what your niche is, listen to those people and give them what they ask for. A, it could be a lot simpler than you thought, and B, you can actually solve a problem faster. They don't need all of the fluff and extra things here and there and upsells and whatnot. Solve a simple task for somebody, because what might be small to you could be huge for somebody else. So figure out what it is that you do and ask those people what they actually need and give them just that. Shift number 6, seek results, not clout. I promise you, looking for all of the likes will not help you pay those bills. You actually want to make sure that your impact is equal to the value that you provide for other people. Having the vanity metrics of likes or saves or shares will not always cut you a check. So make sure that the interactions and the follow-up that you have with people, DMing you or emailing you or reaching out to you, make sure that that is more impactful than how many likes, shares, and saves that you got. Shift number 6, and one that's near and dear to my heart, is your next opportunity is in community, not in equipment. I can attest to this firsthand. A few years ago, in a community event that I went to in the US, I just bought what I would call my B-line equipment, and I just created with what I had. It was through doing that I got invited to a number of different events over the summertime where I got to show what I can do and learn in time and on my feet. It was one of the greatest experiences that I had in my career and in my business. And it was the fastest way for me to continue to get referrals and collaborations and build relationships. So please remember, you need to show up and do what you do in your communities, because that can offer opportunities in the future for people to say, oh, that person was super cool. Ooh, and I know exactly what they do. So make sure that you're not just in community. Do not be there and just hide behind the scenes. Show up, show out, and watch the doors fly open for you. In the comments, I want you to comment with a piece of gear that you bought that you barely ever use. I'll go first. So what we have here is a phone gimbal. I don't think I've ever even taken this out of the house on purpose. It was cool when I bought it, but I never used this thing. And now we have other cool tools such as the DJI Pocket 3 that will definitely replace this thing. See, look, the DJI Pocket 3 is even smaller. So comment below what you have that you don't use, and are you going to get rid of it, sell it, give it to another creator? Let me know. And thank you so much for being a part of my community here on YouTube. Be sure to share this with other creators, and I look forward to continue to grow and learn with you.